आता खबरो विस्तारान. म्हादय प्रश्न सद्याक न्यायालयांत आसा आनी कर्नाटकाक दिल्लें मान्यताय पत्र फाटीं घेवपाक केंद्रीय मंत्री जावडेकराक 15 दिसांची मुदत मागिल्ली आसा. तशेंच मुखेलमंत्री हो प्रश्न सोडयतना जनतेच्याच हितान वावुरतले म्हण म्हायती फिलिप नेरी रॉड्रिगीसान पत्रकार परिशदेंत दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
तुम्ही काम सुरू केला तेजेर आता हियरिंग चालू आसा.
Philip, I think CM had made a statement that by December 6th, all issues regarding this letter and all will be resolved.
Yeah.
Can we expect
Yes.
some positive?
See, I was part of the all-party delegation. The minister's assurance to the delegation, to all party leaders, is that he will not compromise Goa's interest. And he will see that whatever he decides will be in favor of Goa. That is the assurance and the hope which we have given, and we are waiting for days to come. First of letters written by Minister of Environment to Maharashtra. It's a big political battle. It's a big political fight which every government, successive government has fought legally. अरे फाल्यां तुझे पत्र आमच्या फावरा येयले म्हणून तो विषय सोंपना. We need to fight the battle till all the issues safeguarding the interests of Goa has to be addressed by the Supreme Court. The matter is in the Supreme Court. फाल्यां तुझे लेटर येयले म्हणून तो विषय सोंपना म्हणजे सोंपना काबार जायना तो विषय म्हादयाचेर. म्हादय आमी कडेन आमचे टर्म काबार जाय बट म्हादय इश्यू आमच्या गोंयची इंट्रस्ट प्रोटेक्ट करपाक इट मे टेक इयर्स टू गेट. अवॉर्ड डिक्लेअर केला अजून पर्यंत अवॉर्ड नोटिफाय जालो लिडिंग द एजिटेशन आणि सीएमान तशें म्हणाल वी विल एजिटेट अलॉंग विथ द पीपल ऑफ गोवा.
If the issue is not, this letter is not resolved,
I was on the record last time that if the issue is not resolved to the satisfaction of Goa, we will knock the door of the Prime Minister. If I say.
just now they had a meeting here. They said 5th is the deadline. CM has said that we will try to solve it by 5th.
By 5th only.
CM had made a statement.
By 5th.
They have made to intensive.
But to my knowledge, when Minister Mr. Javadekar was in Goa, he said 15 days. 15 days, if we calculate, it comes after 5th. After 5th, that's right. But not on 5th. So we expect that he cannot say another 15 days or another 10 days. So we have full faith that he will decide after 15 days.